good. Just let me go. Let me go. Raise your hand when you know saying, oh, you will. So somebody take a shot. You never give your crush a telephone because you might don't say that I'm your fair guy.